Hey guys, today I got some news and
have fun studying.
I'm doing a last vacuum with the Dyson. The news is that I'm going to be getting a Sanitaire SC699J, but this Dyson's going to be I'm selling this Dyson. So I don't know when, but yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to be selling it on, but anyway, here we go. Floor is kind of dirty. As you can probably tell, this thing works real good. So anyways guys, that's my last vacuuming with this Dyson. I'll put it in the description when it's sold. So that's it for the Dyson. One last look around it. And that's it for this one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos of this Sanitaire I'm gonna get.